everybody, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 on your Windows PC. Microsoft Office is available to all USC students at no charge, and you will be able to find instructions on how to access and download it here. You'll need to have your NetID and password ready for this installation. As well, before beginning the installation process, please check your device is compatible. The minimum system requirements for your Windows PC will be an operating system running either Windows 10 or Windows 8.1, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and at least a 4 gigabyte hard drive, and a browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. I highly recommend you use Google Chrome for this process. The first step we'll do is open up your browser, and we're going to navigate to http://itservices.usc.edu/office students. You'll then be greeted with the ITS Microsoft Office installation page. I highly suggest you pause this video and read all instructions before proceeding. Once you have read all the instructions, we're going to navigate to portal.office.com/ols/mysoftware.aspx. We're then going to be taken to the Microsoft Office sign-in page. You're going to use your NetID email address here that ends in @usc.edu. You'll press next. You'll then be taken to the USC sign-in page. We're going to sign in with your NetID and password. As well, you will need to identify yourself using Duo. Once you've done that, you'll be asked if you want to stay signed in. This is up to you if you do or don't. Once you have signed in, you'll be taken to the My Account page for Office 365. This is where you're going to be able to download the file that will install Office. We will then click on Install Office, and the setup will begin. Depending on your internet connection, this can take a few minutes. Once the file has finished installing, if you're using Google Chrome, you'll click on the file in the taskbar. If you're not, you'll open File Explorer. You go to Downloads, and you'll click on the file here. Once you've clicked on the file, the installation will begin, and we can close our browsers. Depending on the speed of your computer and the hardware inside of it will determine how long the installation will take. It can take up to an hour to install, depending on your system. Once the installation has finished, you'll be greeted with this message that says you're all set, Office is installed now. So we're going to go ahead and press close. We're then going to press the start button, and we're going to search for our apps. So you'll see at the top it says recently added, and we'll expand it to see all the apps you just installed. We want to open one app first. This will activate the entire Office suite. So we're going to open up Word. Once Word opens, you'll be prompted to sign in. We're going to put our NetID email address in here and press next. We'll then be greeted with the Shibboleth sign-in page. We're going to sign in with our NetID and password. Then press sign in. You'll also be asked to authenticate yourself using Duo. Once you've done that, you'll be signed into Office. This will activate the entire suite for you. Once you've signed in, the entire suite of Office will be activated. You'll be asked to accept the license agreement. You'll press accept. This will make sure you have access to all the apps, and you can get started using the Office suite. If you have any questions or concerns, call the help desk at 213-740-2571, or send us an email at help@law.usc.edu.